Have you ever stumbled across a website promising huge discounts and thought, could this really be legit? That's exactly what Bomb Coupons claims to offer: massive savings, exclusive coupon deals, and discounts on some of the most popular products online. On the surface, it looks appealing: bright banners, flashy deals, and the promise that you can save big without much effort. But when you dig a little deeper, some concerning patterns start to emerge. For starters, the discounts often feel too good to be true, with percentages that make you wonder if they're realistic at all. The site doesn't provide much information about the company behind it, and there's little transparency about who's running things or how these deals are sourced. Clicking on deals frequently redirects you to third-party sites or unrelated platforms, which can make the whole experience confusing and somewhat frustrating. During testing, it became apparent that some of the coupons are either expired, misleading, or not verified anywhere outside the site itself. And there's a possibility of user data being collected in ways you might not expect. While it doesn't appear to be a malicious scam designed to steal money directly, the website seems more focused on generating clicks rather than delivering real, guaranteed savings. Users should also be aware that engaging too heavily could open them up to spammy emails, pop-ups, or unwanted offers. In short, Bomb Coupons operates in a gray area where the potential for savings exists but is mixed with uncertainty and caution. If you're looking for legitimate, reliable discounts, it's wise to compare deals elsewhere and remain skeptical of coupon sites that promise extraordinary offers without verified backing. The takeaway? Approach Bomb Coupons with care, double-check every offer, and never assume that every deal is what it claims to be.